the way from Peoria he held him to his chest. Through the wind and wilderness he whispered, "You're the best." Little did he know how it would all unfold. The track, the point, the pin, the hold. The tall grass is towering, there's stillness in the air. The crunch beneath his feet, the wind between his hair. The two of them together, roaming across the land. Lincoln at the ready, awaiting his command. And maybe you've never heard about a man and his bird dog. Now if you're looking for them, they're in the dusty fields, no doubt, moving like a prairie fire that wanders about, searching for the truth that's everywhere around, like that bobwhite quail hidden on the ground. And maybe you've never heard about a man